Hey man, we working anything. We want to work in some stepdad. Some stepdad 2000. You want to step in some Amiri? You know what I'm saying? You want to step in some oil and bust your butt like he just did? I wish I would have caught that on camera. What's up, Miles? Back at it. So we decided to continue working. About to replace the clutch, put it back on, possibly bolt up where we need to bolt up, where we wanted to bolt up for so long. Maybe today, maybe not. I don't know. We're making good timing, so we'll see.
Keep the expectations low, man.
Keep the expectations low, dog. Low. Still got y'all rolling over there. You know what I'm saying?
Low, you'll never be disappointed.
Yes, sir. Put a lightweight flywheel.
They feel about the same. What the fuck?
For sale. 500 miles on it, literally. And this is what it looked like. Little surface rust from hoarding parts and not putting them on. Procrastination. That's what it's called. Procrastination rust right there.
Procrastination rust.
You know what I'm saying? Your boy gotta come through and motivate you to get that car off jack stands.
Procrastination rust.
Yes, sir. This is gonna be a nice little, fun little car when we done with it. You know what I'm saying? HOA, not HOA. The hell? What's the junk called? OSHA. OSHA approved heaters. Get you some. You know what I'm saying?
Get you some.
I need a light though, but we working, man. You know, this is the beginning stages of this channel, so y'all gonna see a lot more of, probably not this, but you know, y'all gonna see the process of all of this shit. So stay tuned, man. Calling the day. Got the new flywheel and pressure plate bolted. Gonna wait till tomorrow to properly torque it.
Properly.
Damn, man, what the fuck? I need a light for real. I need a light and a mic. Next video I will have a light, mic.
The whole time you can't hear shit. It's just like wow.
Oh, I'm gonna do a voiceover. Fuck it. I will re-talk this shit. But yeah, man, we calling it a night, man. All in a day's work. Like I said, this wasn't even planned. You know what I'm saying? We just got to it. Type shit.
Bro, we could, right?
We could. Almost called it a night, but we decided we're gonna throw that bad boy on over there. Breaking this thing down. Stock block warriors. Stay tuned. Yeah.
Got some cocoa in here.
Y'all ever seen a supercharged wagon manual sitting like this? Sooner or later, sooner than later.
I think there's another plate in there. Yeah, there's got to be another plate. Oh yeah, there is. I'm tripping.
Yes, sir. Shout out Merc Racing. Shout out Hondas for being so easy to take apart. My first time ever. That shit was a blast. K-Tune. Shit. You know what I'm saying? Get y'all a little closer look at this. At this blower.
Plate never open.
That's for the blower?
Yeah.
This nigga bought this transformer ass light. Some OC.
Milwaukee got me, dog. You see this?
That shit's still gonna be slow.
Blower plate to manifold.
I'm helping him just to still be behind me in traffic.
But look, you see?
Motherfucker jive heavy. That's it.
Man, can you imagine building this shit in your garage? Like, I'm talking about like fabricating this.
Mock up is going great. This thing is amazing.
God, this is huge. Now, hold on. Like, it's kind of big.
Hey yo.
Dog.
Hey yo.
It's bigger than I expected for real.
Hey yo.
Dog, I'm not joking.
I gotta bleep all that out, bro. What's going on with this guy?
Nah, this bowl right here. This is what I'm talking about. So I think this one we gotta put first.
Gotcha. Yeah, man, it's happening. None of this was planned today, but we making a lot of progress, man. We need this car out of here so we can start on mine. And be here every step of the way for the most part.
That's crazy.
You know what I'm saying?
That's crazy.
Boy, excited to still be last place. Let's do it. This is beautiful, bro.
I was like, where the connectors at? Connectors inside.
Yeah. What size are those? 13?
1300. Go right there. Boom.
1300. Skunk Racing. None of this is sponsored, by the way. We just we don't even know how these things run, but
spending our own money.
We're spending our own money, bro. And this is we spent a lot of it. You know what I'm saying? But we don't count it. We just enjoy what we doing. You know what I'm saying? That's hard. I see it, man. Dropped the motor in about an hour. Did the clutch in about 10 minutes probably. You know what I'm saying? That's hard.
They put it by accident.
To the interior lights.
Damn, dog.
Oh.
How you do this?
If you want to start recording, just hit that.
What, AF on?
Nah, this is a red button.
Let's fuck on.
If you want to start recording, just hit that.
Hey, smile. I still can't smile.
You know what I'm saying? About to run to advance, get a little shum, finish this project for the night. Yeah, I need a light. This looks corny. Can't see me?
Nah, hell no. Can't see shit.
done. Just to come here, you know. Back at Advance. I don't know, when you're working on a project, you gotta run to the store about 10 fucking times before you complete it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Honestly, none of this was planned. I literally wanted to just go over there to shoot an intro to the channel, and we pretty much boosted the car. Got a couple gaskets and little things like that to get, but yeah, today was very eventful, you know. Stay tuned, probably be back tomorrow, or probably, yeah, tomorrow, Wednesday. The gaskets and everything should be here, and yeah, put that thing back together, put it back in the car. Still trying to figure out, I think he's still trying to figure out who's going to tune it and where he's going to tune it at, but that's really the least, well, that's pretty important, but right now, I mean, we just trying to get the ball rolling. And yeah, see you guys when we going back together. Peace.